Welcome! In this video, we're diving into HTML URL encoding. Understand the importance of URL encoding and how it's applied in web development. We will explore how to handle special characters in URLs, ensuring your web applications function smoothly and securely. URL encoding is the process of converting characters into a format that can be transmitted over the internet. URLs can only be sent using the ASCII character set. Since URLs often contain characters outside of this set, URL encoding is essential. It replaces unsafe ASCII characters with a %, followed by 2 hexadecimal digits. Take a look at these examples. A normal URL might look like this: https://example.com/path. But a URL with special characters needs encoding, such as this: https://example.com/search?q what plus is plus %20 URL %3f. After decoding, it becomes https://example.com/search?q what plus is plus URL. Here are some commonly used URL encoded characters. A space is encoded as %20. An exclamation point becomes %21. The quotation mark double quotes is encoded as %22. The number sign hashtag is %23. The $$ becomes %24. The ampersand and is encoded as %26. A single quote is encoded as %27. The opening parenthesis is %28. The closing parenthesis is %29. The plus sign plus becomes %2b. The comma is encoded as %2c. Finally, the question mark is encoded as %3f. There are several reasons to use URL encoding. Firstly, URLs cannot contain spaces, ampersands, question marks, number signs, and other special characters directly. URL encoding allows us to include these characters safely. Secondly, international characters, which are non-ASCII, need encoding for proper transmission across the internet. Encoding prevents data corruption, ensuring that the data arrives intact. Lastly, encoding ensures that URLs work consistently across all browsers and platforms. Here are some examples of problematic URLs without encoding and their properly encoded counterparts. For instance, a URL with a question mark can be encoded to ensure it's correctly interpreted by the server. JavaScript provides built-in methods for URL encoding. The first one is encodeURIComponent. This function encodes all characters except A to Z 0 to 9 _, exclamation mark, tilde, asterisk, single quote, opening and closing parenthesis. For example, if you have a parameter hello world and special chars, the encoded result would be hello %20 world %20 %26 %20 special %20 chars %3f %21. The second method is encodeURI. This function encodes a complete URI and preserves the URI structure. For example, if you have a full URL like https://example.com/path with spaces, q equals test and perm equals value, the encoded URL would be https://example.com/path %20 with %20 spaces question mark q equals sign test ampersand perm equals sign value single quote. Use encodeURIComponent for individual URL parameters, user input, and query string values. Use encodeURI for complete URLs when you need to preserve the URI structure and when the URL contains multiple components. To decode URL encoded strings in JavaScript, 2 methods are available. DecodeURIComponent decodes a URI component, while decodeURI decodes a complete URI. Always use the corresponding decode method for the encode method you use to ensure proper decoding. Here are some examples. If you have an encoded string like hello %20 world %20 26% 20 special %20 chars %3f %21, decoding it with decodeURIComponent will give you hello world and special chars. Similarly, if you have an encoded URL like https://example.com/path %sign20 with %sign20 spaces single quote, decoding it with decodeURI will result in https://example.com/path with spaces. Let's look at some practical examples. Consider a form submission. To encode form data for submission, you can use the following JavaScript code. The code selects a form element, prevents the default submission behavior, retrieves user input from a search field, encodes the input using encodeURIComponent, and redirects the user to a search results page with the encoded query. Remember to always encode user input before adding it to URLs. Another practical example is making an API request with encoded parameters. The code defines an asynchronous function search API that takes a query and filters as arguments. It encodes these using encodeURIComponent, constructs a URL with the encoded parameters, makes a fetch request to the API, and returns the response as a JSON object. For complex data structures, ensure that you stringify them first before encoding. Let's cover some security best practices. Always encode user input before adding it to URLs. Use encodeURIComponent for query parameters. Decode data only when it comes from trusted sources, and always validate decoded data before using it. For performance, encode only when necessary. Cache encoded values for repeated use. Be aware of URL length limitations, and consider post requests for large data. Here are some resources for further learning. MDN WebDocs provide in-depth information on encodeURIComponent and encodeURI. W3 Schools offers a URL encoding reference, and the What URL standard provides comprehensive details on URL standards. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.